We're starting with breaking updates coming in after Raj Thakrae's MNS. Now the hooliganism of Uddhav Thakrae's Shiv Sainik has come to the fore in Maharashtra, accusing a man of not speaking in Marathi and insulting the Marathi language. And Maharashtra, Uddhav's group workers slapped an auto driver and made him apologize, holding his ears in public. My colleague Atul is joining us on the broadcast with the details. And Atul, unfortunately, we've seen multiple such incidents take place. The latest case being of an auto driver who was slapped. What are the details? When did this incident take place? जो लोग इस वीडियो में दिखाई दे रहे हैं, क्या उनके अगेंस्ट कोई एक्शन लिया गया है?
जी देखिए, अभी ये मामला सैटरडे का ही है, यानी कल का बताया जा रहा है। करीबन दोपहर 1:30 से 2 के बीच का है, जब विरार स्टेशन के बाहर जो पब्लिक ऑटो स्टैंड बना हुआ है, वहां पर इस ऑटो ड्राइवर को पीटा गया है। बताया जा रहा है कि 4 दिन पहले इसने किसी एक मराठी लेडी के साथ ट्रैवलिंग के दौरान ये कहा था, जिसका एक वीडियो भी वायरल हुआ था, जिसमें उसने कहा था कि मैं तो मराठी नहीं बोलूंगा, मैं तो भोजपुरी और हिंदी में ही बात करूंगा, मैं देखता हूं मुझे कोई क्या कर लेता है। दिस वाज द लाइन जो उसने बोली थी, जिसके बाद कल के दिन जो उद्धव गुट के शिव सैनिक है, उन लोगों ने उस वीडियो के जरिए उस ऑटो रिक्शा ड्राइवर को ढूंढा और उसी ऑटो रिक्शा स्टैंड पर इसके साथ हाथापाई की गई है, बुरी तरीके से इसे मारा पीटा गया है। और जिस लेडी के सामने उसने ये बात कही थी, उससे कान पकड़कर जो है माफी मांगने के लिए तक कहा गया है। और ज्यादा सरप्राइजिंग ये था कि जहां पर ये पूरी घटना हुई है, वसई पुलिस स्टेशन इसी घटना स्थल से महज 200-300 मीटर यार्ड पर ही है। और ये पूरी घटना जो है दोपहर में दिन दहाड़े होती है, लेकिन कमाल की बात यह है कि ये चीजें हो जाने के बाद भी पुलिस वहां पर पहुंचती नहीं है, जबकि ये हाईली क्राउडेड जो है इलाका है। वहां पर यूजुअली ट्रैफिक पुलिस और मुंबई पुलिस, वसई विरार की पुलिस टीम वहां पर रहती है, लेकिन ये पूरी घटना हो जाती है, वहां पर कोई पुलिस मौजूद नहीं रहती। और अब इतने घंटे बीत जाने के बाद भी अब तक पुलिस, जो सोर्सेज हमारे बता रहे हैं कि पुलिस ने FIR अब तक दर्ज नहीं की है, कोई कंप्लेंट पुलिस को नहीं दी गई है, इस वजह से उन्होंने कोई एक्शन नहीं लिया है। लेकिन ये जो वीडियो है वो दिखा रहा है कि किस तरीके से मराठी वर्सेस हिंदी भाषा को लेकर जो राजनीति है वो एक अलग लेवल पर चली गई है। क्योंकि
the question also remains, is this mob Raj going to continue in Maharashtra? The auto driver is slapped, no action is taken, police officials nowhere to be seen, not even a case being registered in the case in this regard. Do stay with us, let's play out what has happened. And remember, as of now, no case has been registered, no action being taken against the people involved. So you saw what happened. This is in Virar, no action being taken. BJP's Ram Kadam is on the broadcast with us. Thank you for joining us, Mr. Ram Kadam. What's happening in Maharashtra? First it was the MNS that was running amok, and now you have Uddhav Thakrae's Sena that is slapping an auto rickshaw only because he allegedly insulted Marathi.
See, we do not support any kind of vandalism whoever is taking law in their hand will definitely punish all of them. See, this entire episode, if you look at it in a broader picture, this has been happening because of the upcoming corporation elections. And both the parties, they do not have a public support. So they have been trying to, find out, or they have trying to appease some of the segment in Mumbai and Maharashtra. But Mumbai's first language is Marathi. It was, it is, and it will. But it does not mean that. We respect each and every language. So this fight is just for upcoming elections. We do not support such kind of things. We'll definitely punish them, and law will take its own.
Ji, lekin Mr. Ramkadam, the law and order is in your hands. While you can blame the MNS or the Shiv Sena UBT, questions will arise on the law and order. Where are the police officials when such incidents are taking place in the open, hours after the incident, not even a case being filed?
No, it's not the case. Immediately we took the action. Immediately we arrested them. Whatever the laws are there, as per the law, we have taken strong action against them. And now also, police will take action. We are not supporting such kind of incidents at all.
Okay, all right. Mr. Ramkadam, thank you for joining us. The government has been saying we don't support this action, don't take law and order in your hands. But look at the visuals on your screens. An auto driver being harassed, and these are people who are said to be from the Shiv Sena Uddhav faction who are slapping an auto rickshaw for allegedly insulting Marathi. And not the first time we are seeing this incident. In the recent times, multiple such incidents have taken place with not much action or token action being taken. Shaina NC of the Shinde Sena is joining us on the broadcast. Thank you for joining us, Mr. Shaina NC. Unfortunately, Maharashtra has been making news in the recent times because of these language warriors who are attacking, in this case, an auto driver for allegedly insulting Marathi.
I think it's most unfortunate to take law into your hands. Obviously, we as a party, that is Eknath Shinde and the Shiv Sena, stand for the Marathi Manus, stand for Marathi Asmita, and are committed, absolutely committed to the cause of espousing the assimilation of those who come into our state, learn livelihood, and earn money. But to take law into your hands and randomly beat innocent workers or auto drivers only shows you the mindset of this party called the Ubata Sena and the mindset of a defunct MNS. Now, if there is a language policy that centrals, that is focusing on Marathi-centric experts like Dr. Narendra Jadhav are asking all stakeholders to come and be a part of this language formula. But if you're making it an issue of you versus us, this is not something we stand for. And please do understand that, you can question the authenticity of these two parties because their commitment and their desperate attempt to reclaim law.
No, but beyond the politics of it is what is happening on ground. Violence that's breaking out. The law and order is in the government's hand. Do you think enough action is being taken to deter such incidents from taking place?
Well, absolutely. Devendra Fadnavis, as the Chief Minister and the Home Minister, has made it very, very clear that nobody will be spared. The perpetrators of crime have been booked on multiple charges. In a court of law, it will be established. But having said that, look at the political context and timing. You have a sudden resurrection and an alliance just before the upcoming civic polls. The voters seized it. This is, a desperate attempt, let me say, to mobilize certain people, certain sections with electoral considerations. And this unity is not motivated by a genuine intent, which is the timing is suspect, the motive is suspect, And obviously, the Ubata Sena has lost its ideology because Hindu Hriday Samrat Adanya
Okay.
Balasaheb Thackeray had an ideology. He didn't work for political opportunism to
Okay.
regain lost political ground.
Okay, but politics or something else. Truth is, unfortunately, on ground we are witnessing this violence, and it is hitting the image of Maharashtra as well, and that is where it gets unfortunate. Shaina NC, thank you for joining us on the broadcast. So politics around it continues, but unfortunately in this case, as of now, no action has been taken. We're keeping a track of that, but for the moment we're shifting